If your business is still running on SAP's legacy Accelerator, time is running out. Since 2022, it's been deprecated. No new features, no enhancements. The last SAP Commerce update with Accelerator extensions will be in Q2 2027, followed by a full release in Q3 2027, where this outdated code will be removed from all new versions. After Q3 2028, SAP will end support and the ability to build with the Q2 2027 release that still contains Accelerator extensions, leaving any issues in your hands. Today, we are diving into why moving to headless and composable commerce isn't just an upgrade, it's a necessity. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about moving from SAP's legacy Accelerator to a modern commerce setup. We'll start with the evolution from monolithic to headless to a composable architecture and why this shift is critical today. Next, we'll explore migration options, whether to use SAP's Composable Storefront or create a custom solution with technologies like Next.js and React. Following that, we'll discuss the importance of selecting a headless CMS to manage your content independently from your e-commerce data. Finally, we'll walk through the essential steps to make this migration a reality, so your business isn't left behind on unsupported, outdated software. Let's get started. Today's e-commerce landscape has come a long way, and so has SAP Commerce. Let's look at the evolution of architectures that brought us here. Initially, monolithic architectures were the standard, offering a tightly integrated system where front-end, back-end, and business logic were unified within one platform. This approach was reliable and straightforward, but as customer expectations grew and digital touchpoints expanded, it became harder to quickly adapt or scale without complex updates. To address these challenges, the industry moved towards headless commerce. With a headless setup, the front-end is decoupled from the back-end, connected through APIs. SAP Commerce embraced this shift, allowing businesses to deliver more flexible and tailored user experiences across web, mobile, and more. Headless provided the freedom to experiment with new interfaces while retaining a robust backend. Now, we are in the era of composable commerce, which takes flexibility a step further. Composable architecture allows you to build your tech stack by choosing specialized services like search, checkout, or personalization, and seamlessly integrating them. Each component is independently optimized and can be updated as requirements change. SAP Commerce supports this modular approach, giving you the best of both worlds, a powerful backend and a flexible, future-ready frontend. Now that we have explored the evolution of architectures, let's discuss the options for migrating to a headless and composable setup. The first decision is whether to use SAP Commerce's Composable Storefront, a headless-ready solution built on Angular, or to select your preferred stack with modern front-end technologies like Next.js, React, or Vue.js. Both approaches offer distinct advantages and can fit different business needs. SAP's Composable Storefront is specifically designed for SAP Commerce Cloud and built on Angular. It comes with several pre-integrated features that simplify the migration process, such as seamless integration with the OCC API, which manages core e-commerce functionalities. However, this option comes with its own challenges. The Composable Storefront has a specific architecture that adds complexity to development. Additionally, Angular has a steep learning curve. If your team isn't familiar with Angular, they might face a longer ramp-up time. In comparison, frameworks like Next.js or React have larger developer communities and more available resources. This means that teams may find themselves needing extra effort and expertise to adapt to Angular and the Composable Storefront. Alternatively, you can choose a fully custom frontend using frameworks like Next.js, React, or Vue.js. This approach allows you to decouple your frontend entirely from the SAP's ecosystem, giving you complete control over the user experience, from design to functionality. Frameworks like Next.js and React have gentler learning curve, especially for developers already familiar with JavaScript. They are widely adopted and supported, providing access to a larger pool of developers, third-party libraries, and community resources. This makes development faster and more flexible, enabling your team to adapt quickly and innovate without being constrained by SAP's architecture. At Perficient, we got you covered. We offer accelerators tailored for both approaches to ensure a smooth transition. For the SAP Commerce Composable Storefront, our Accelerator enhances the user experience with reusable UI components, making implementation faster and more efficient. If you opt for a custom frontend, our Next.js Accelerator provides a fully developed design system with ready-to-use components. This means you can focus on delivering exceptional user experiences without getting stuck in the initial setup. Now that we have discussed the migration options, let's turn our attention to an important aspect of your new setup: selecting a headless CMS. Both the SAP Commerce Composable Storefront and a custom frontend migration can integrate with a headless CMS. If you choose the Composable Storefront, Smart Edit is included with the solution, allowing you to manage content directly within the SAP ecosystem. However, if you are looking for more advanced capabilities, you might consider other headless CMS options. Popular choices include Contentful, Strapi, Sanity, Builder.io. These platforms offer great features like flexible content modeling, real-time collaboration, and user-friendly interfaces, enabling seamless updates across multiple channels. Integrating any of these headless CMS solutions will enhance your content management capabilities, providing greater flexibility and efficiency for both migration approaches. Now that we have discussed selecting a headless CMS, let's move on to the key steps for migrating to a headless architecture. The first step in your migration is to enable and extend the OmniCommerce Connect OCC APIs. These built-in RESTful APIs are vital for providing the necessary endpoints to handle essential e-commerce functions. Start by determining which functionalities need to be exposed and ensure your OCC APIs are configured to support these requirements. Next, you'll want to transfer any custom logic currently embedded in your legacy UI extensions and add-ons to your OCC APIs. Review your existing setup to pinpoint where this logic resides and extract it into your OCC framework. This step will decouple your front-end from back-end dependencies, fostering a more flexible architecture that can adapt as your business needs evolve. Once your backend is configured, focus on migrating your presentation layer out of the legacy Accelerator extensions. This transition involves not just moving UI components, but also re-architecting associated logic, events, pages, cart and checkout flows, and CMS modeling. You'll be establishing a new components architecture that leverages modern frameworks and technologies like Angular or React, ensuring a comprehensive and seamless upgrade to your headless setup. As experts, we recommend considering the implementation of a design system. This will ensure consistency across your user interface and streamline development efforts. Additionally, think about adopting a mono-repository setup, especially if your business has multiple storefronts that require sharing and reusing functionality. This can enhance collaboration among teams and simplify the management of your code base. At Perficient, we have helped numerous businesses successfully migrate from legacy systems to headless architectures with SAP Commerce. We understand the challenges, the complexities, and most importantly, how to make the transition seamless for your business. If you are interested in learning more or discussing how headless commerce can transform your business, we'd love to hear from you. Reach out to us or drop us a message. Thank you for watching.